You stare at the screen again. Another account gone. You tell yourself it was bad luck, bad timing. One more trade. One more chance to make it back. But deep down, you already know what happened. You moved the stop loss. Again. You risked more than you planned. Again. You promised yourself this account would be different. And for a few days, it was. You woke up early, stayed disciplined, waited patiently. Then one winning streak made you feel untouchable. Now it's 2 a.m. Your room is dark except for the candles flashing across your face. You watch other traders online making millions, posting profits, luxury cars, perfect entries. Meanwhile, you're sitting there calculating how much damage you did this month. Again, your face. You keep refreshing the chart like the market owes you mercy. Your chest tightens every time price moves. You can't relax anymore. Even when you leave the screen never leaves you. You check trades while eating, while talking, while pretending to listen to people you care about. Every loss feels personal. Not because of the money, because every blown account feels like proof that maybe you're not built for this. And that thought follows you everywhere, quietly.